Hello guys, how are you? Today I am fine and my day is going well. And now I am not feeling much well, but I feels like it feels well. But now I want to discuss about my day whole day because today I give the exams. I give the exams where I don't solve the quite any one question so that I feel like a demoted. So this is not a normal exam. This is a very worldwide exam. This is a very big exam. So where in in that exam only ask the four questions. You have and you have only uh, one 1 hour and 90 minutes, and you have to solve the problems. And this is the type of problems like data structure and algorithm DSA, like you can say that the DSA, where I am not solving any problem, so that after solving the problem I sleep, just I sleep for a while, while 1.5 hour, and just for because bro, I just feels like a demotivated after giving the contest, because I have been practicing since since 6 months DSA. And how is possible to how can I possible I unable to solve the I was unable to solve the one problem. So that's why I feel like demotivates and but quite after few hours later I just realized that this is my learning, and I think that what is my mistakes, and where can I where can I need to where can I need to work on my topic. So I just start to, and now I focused on my weak area, and just I realized that. And you can also realize that if you give if you are giving the any exam, so after giving the exam, come if don't comes the result of your expectations, so don't demotivate. Just take like this is my realizations, and whatever you just because bro, life is like every moment you have you can have like challenges, and every moments like exams, every moment. So just ready for with these challenges. You cannot stop here to for this while a minute facing the problems. And problems are the like most of the videos I was said that the problem is when the human's life they don't have a problem, they don't have a problem, so human are not like alive alive, like died, humans died. So here you can say that if you are alive in the house, so you have a problem, you have a ready you are ready to face the challenges always. You are always ready for facing the challenges, so many challenges. Now I am and now I am prepared some of the topics for today I discussing here. And for the just because of I follow the rules of like what should I speak when I go to the room, and while speaking what should I speak. So just I prepare for those few of them topics. So just for a content, because uh, it is not it is challenging for continuously speaking for 30 minutes. It is not possible for normal normal is normal beginner levels. And I'm beginner, but reach I just feel like I can just overcome the beginner level to the like I am reach the level of just I need some confidence. I need just I practice on daily basis, like for a few some of the from when I want to acquire the I want to acquire the some of the I want to acquire like what should I what can I say? I want to acquire the confidence and fluency at this stage. Once I get the fluency and the correctness, to I can easily qualify the any exams and interview, just because of today I have given the one of the interviews like AI based interview, and one of the company which is provide the internship, and where I can get the so this is my second interview so far. This was my second interview. So in the last interview, I feel like a very nervous. I cannot. I I was not able to speak any little bit thing. So, but today I speak confidently whatever they ask me, and I don't think that oh what should I speak here, what should I speak. So just 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 I overcome it by the practicing, and you should also overcome it. And you also overcome it. You should sorry, and I use the should. Basically, this is my problem of mostly when I start to speak. Most of the times did I do these type of mistakes, and I want to improve these mistakes. I have I know you just you realize them while watching my videos. I have a fluency. I don't mostly I don't say like or just I speak fluently when I don't, and when when I don't know the next sentences. At that time I take a pause, and you should also take a pause while uh, while while you are don't at that moment your mind won't go to the blank. So you just take a pause. After taking a pause, you just at that time your in your mind suddenly comes the any other sentences, and you have maintained the concept, you have maintained the flow of speaking. And mostly people do this does this does this same type of things, and I'm also doing these things. And now let, let's start to the topics. Why what is discipline? How I discipline? Because mostly my videos are seen the not the beginners levels. I like those who had in class 10th and class 12th and 9th and 10th, and they and like some of the students who who wants to take the admission in engineering. So those are seen my videos. So taking these type of student, I can tell you something. And what is discipline? Meaning like from, from my aspect, from my point of view, discipline means whatever you do and whatever you do currently right now, you invest yourself to and maintain. Discipline means like you one day you have like I am taking the example of the study. Like discipline means doesn't mean like you have a study one day you study like 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, and next day you burnt out. You doesn't study. You will not study. You doesn't study. You are not studying like 1 hour, 2 hours. Just you have to maintain the consistency. Means you 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 should study daily, like five. Just you targeting like not a 10 hours. Just you target like a fifth hour. You once you complete the fifth hour, then you have to move. You once you complete the target, you feel like happy, and I then so that you are able to after completed the 5 hour you are just feeling happy. You have again again you what can I speak here? अगेन मैं उसके बाद भी आप 2 hour पढ़ सकते थे. You have to study again 2 hours after completed the 5 hours. So you already you have done the so if you follow this process you can study like a 7 hours. But once you target like a 7 hours, so you have like if you have like feels like what can I say here? You can feel like a foundation. You can go to the like foundation just to feel like still I have studied 3 hours still and the remaining 4 hours I left 4 hours left to study. And so all these things are happening during the study. So basically am I saying here now I'm saying that what is the like my Today is my 14th day of English speaking. So I want to tell my journey of the first day and compared to 15th day. Basically, when I basically I have been starting this language since 6 months I'm practicing. So, but once when I start to when I take these steps at the first day, when I was taking the step, when I had taken the step at the first day of English, and that day I cannot able to speak anything. I just in my mind not coming sentences, not speak fluently. But today, after 15 days, I confident to speak, and confidence is matter that English speaking, because when you start to speak in front of anyone, at that time in your mind going to go to the blank, and you just think like, what should I speak, and where should I speak, what should I speak. So when